Welcome back to the InfoFlex. Have you ever wished to control a real world devices with a game controller? Today we are making that a reality. We will use a single joystick to control two different types of motors with Arduino. A DC motor speed and direction and a servo motor position. This is perfect for DIY robots or even projects that needs precise two-axis control. So let's get started. Here a quick list of the components we will use for this project. Arduino board, joystick module, DC motor, L298N motor driver, servo motor, lithium-ion batteries, and jumper wires. Wiring everything might seem complicated, but it's pretty straightforward. We will connect the joystick to the Arduino and the motor to the motor driver. The joystick is the command center of our project. It has two built-in potentiometer that act as our X and Y axis. Connect the X axis pin to Arduino A0. Connect the Y axis pin to Arduino A1 pin. Connect VCC to 5 volt and ground to ground. Connect the VCC wire of servo motor to 5 volt, ground to ground, and servo signal wire to Arduino D9 digital pin. The L298N motor driver is essential because it allows the Arduino to handle the motor power needs. N1 on the L298N to Arduino D5 pin, connect N2 to Arduino D6 pin. Connect the enable pin to D3 pin. This will allow us to control the DC motor speed using PWM. Make sure you connect the ground wire of all your components, Arduino, L298N and joystick together. This creates a common reference point and prevent a lot of headaches. The code is where the magic happens. We will read the analog values from the joystick and use them to command our motors. At the top of your code, you will need to include the servo.h library, which makes controlling the servo super easy. We will use analog read to get the raw values from the X and Y axes. These values range from 0 to 1023. We will map these values to control the joystick and DC motor speed and direction. Now for the best part, seeing it all together. When I push the joystick forward, the DC motor instantly changed speed. And when I push the joystick backward, the DC motor changed its direction and speed. When I move the joystick left and right, you can see the servo motor rotate smoothly. And there you have it, a single joystick controlling two different motors for a fun, interactive project. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome Arduino projects. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.